V.io converter honest review. Watch before using. Most people get video converters wrong. They assume all tools are the same or that conversion is complicated. The surprising truth about V.io is that it's more than just a converter. It's an all-in-one online video editing and processing platform, and you won't believe how simple it makes turning any file into the format you need. Here's how it works. V.io allows you to upload videos in almost any format, trim or edit them, add subtitles, and export them in the format and resolution you prefer. The process is fully online, meaning no software downloads or complicated installations are required. For example, imagine you've recorded a tutorial in MOV format but need it as an MP4 to upload to YouTube. With V.io, you simply drag your file, choose the output format, and hit convert. Most people get this wrong. They think video converters are slow or confusing, but V.io handles large files efficiently with fast conversion times and minimal quality loss. Additional benefits include automated subtitle generation, audio extraction, and direct sharing links. Users praise its ease of use, intuitive interface, and the ability to quickly process content without technical skills. However, there are considerations. Free plans include watermarks and limited export resolutions. For professional use, upgrading to a paid plan is necessary to access higher quality formats and advanced features. Most people assume online converters are limited, but V.io balances simplicity with robust functionality. In conclusion, V.io is ideal for content creators, educators, and businesses who need fast, reliable, and easy video conversion with extra editing tools built in. If you want to save time without compromising quality, this platform is worth trying. Subscribe for more honest reviews of digital tools and video solutions.